Good morning. I hope you're having a great day. So I got out here just a little bit too early. I can't even see my flowers yet, but that's okay. I'm going to clean up the vases for the coffee shop and get them all ready, get the water and the flower food in them, pull some stuff out of the cooler to put in them, and then get my buckets ready to go pick for the day. It's going to be a busy day. I'm going to take a lot of pictures. I'll take pictures of what I harvest, what I take to the florist. I'll try to remember to get my little vases done before I pack them up. And then I will take some pictures of bouquets that I have to make and deliver. And then we'll see where the day takes me. The high's only 81 today, so hopefully I can get a lot done today. Well, I do see a lot of blooms for taking a couple of days off. Even a few zinnias popped up. Ageratum, sunflowers, bachelor buttons. I see a whole bunch of zinnias in there. My snapdragons look crazy. All the status. My asters. It's gonna be crazy. A bird made a little nest in the middle of my amaranth and my zinnias. I hope it makes it. They're not real sturdy. The mini bouquets are done. And remember, these are just little, like $3 to $4 bouquets, so they're done. Well, I definitely have some picking I can do. These buckets are almost empty too, so a lot of picking to do. It's huge and pretty. So I did get all my bouquets taken to the coffee shop. I got to the florist. I delivered their flowers. I did do a little bit of harvesting of some amaranth, some zinnias, some celosia this morning, but I did not get to anything else. I ended up having a lot of bouquets to make and deliver, and it just took up the rest of my day. So tomorrow I don't really have anything on the agenda except for harvesting. So I'm hoping I can fill the cooler back up and get my rose harvested. A lot of that stuff looks like it's like popping, and I like to get it before it opens all the way, unless it's a flower that needs to open all the way. So I'll probably get them, and I might be using them first. I don't know. We'll just have to see how it goes. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the slideshow of pictures and all the flowers. I think you can tell what I'm harvesting and what I'm making out of my harvest. I hope everybody has a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.